November 27th, 2025. Officers are responding to a traffic stop for swerving that quickly escalates.
Hello, sir. I'm Officer Murphy of Moline. The reason why I'm stopping you is you swerved into oncoming lanes a couple times. You're kind of swerving in between different lanes.
I ain't mean to do that.
Okay. And then, like, when you turn that corner, like, you almost clipped me because you came into, like, my lane.
I saw you.
Yeah. Do you have a driver's license, proof of
Nah,
insurance?
I don't get it. I live up the street. My insurance and all that shit. It's in my other bag. I live up the street, though. Every police officer out know me.
Okay.
Oh, here we go. Standard play, right? I live up the street. Everyone knows me. That's the first red flag for an officer. Always keep your documents handy, folks. Seriously, make it easy on yourself.
I don't get my registration. I got my insurance, though.
Okay. You have your insurance?
Yeah, I ain't from out here. You see, I'm using my map as I'm going on.
Okay.
I'm going to fuck with a bitch.
Okay, I got you.
I'm going to fuck with a bitch or whatever.
Where are you from?
Chicago. I've been down here like 5-6 months.
Would you mind just rolling this back window? Your tint's just so dark, I can't see
the dark as hell.
Yeah.
So what I got arrested down for you for?
I just want to make sure there's no one in the back seat.
Ain't nobody back there.
No big deal. Okay. You said you don't have your driver's license on you?
Nah, I got him though. I'm valid though.
What's your first name?
Randy. R-A-N-D-Y. I'm trying to find this shit for you, man. I got you. 1 second.
All right, Mr. Can you step out for me?
For what?
We're going to have a conversation out here about the open container.
For what?
Okay, because there's an open container in your car. Okay, so I'm telling you to step out.
Wait, an open container? That's what immediately elevates this from a simple traffic ticket to an immediate detention and search of the person and the vehicle. That initial improper lane usage just became a ticket to serious trouble and probable cause.
All right, I'll pat you down, make sure you have no weapons.
That's cool, that's cool,
Okay.
that's cool. All right, sorry.
What's this in your pocket?
I don't know, let me see.
Can I reach in there and grab it?
No, let me see first.
Okay, well, I'm not going to let you reach in there. Just keep your hands up, man. Is it just the keys? I can't tell what it
Probably,
is. It's a hard
yeah.
object.
It's probably some keys.
Okay, can I just pull it in and make sure that
Hey,
it's
go
just the
do your
keys,
thing.
that there's no
Do your
knives
thing.
or anything?
Nah, I ain't got no problem.
That's a nice whip, man.
You want to drive it? Drive it.
Look fast. All right, hey, so since there's an open container, it's going to give me probable cause to search your car for other open containers.
You do your thing.
Okay.
I don't know about that car. Hey, could I put my shit in my pocket without y'all?
Yep, you're good.
It's peaceful. Hey, don't do that, man. How you doing that?
What?
How you do that?
What do you mean? How'd I pop it?
Shit. I've been out here like 9 months.
That's kind of a cool pop, though. I'm not going to lie.
I've been out here like 9 months.
That is a smooth move. The guy is genuinely surprised, which means he probably thought he had time to play dumb. When a cop can remotely pop your trunk, that's game over for whatever you're hiding back there.
Take my time doing
Have you ever been arrested before?
a million times, man.
For what?
Probably weed, goofy ass, miscellaneous ass, shit like that.
Do you have a FOID card?
Nah, I don't.
Okay. Tell you what, right now I'm just going to detain you.
For what?
The gun in the back. Okay?
No gun now.
There is. Okay, we'll figure all of it out here in a second, okay? End of the day, I'm not trying to take you to jail.
Boss man.
Okay, I just got to figure everything out. We'll talk about some stuff, okay?
That's
Go on.
Okay, whoa, did he just confess right there? What, the gun in the back? That's a massive self-incriminating slip. And the officer already knew that's why the detention escalated so fast. Now the situation is 100% different.
Stop. Get to the ground. Don't try to take off running, dude.
I'm not gonna run on
You just tried to.
Stop. All right, let me up, man.
No.
I'm done. All right, whatever. Let me up, bro.
Slow down.
I'm fine, bro.
There's a gun in the back. You try to run it.
Stop.
Why'd you try to run, dude? That's just dumb. check. There's something in the pants pocket. We can send them over first.
There's a 20 or something over there.
Alright, take my shoes off. You want to take them off?
We're okay right now. I'll come talk to you in a second, okay?
Alright.
Murph, are you on here for felonies?
Nothing in there. This feels like it's loaded. Can you grab me another bag? Oh, boys. Oh, boys. We might have just hit the jackpot, baby. Ooh.
There's a whole lot of something back there.
Oh, wow. That's a ton of coke.
Jackpot! Oh my goodness. That is not just personal use, folks. When you see multiple bags of a substance like that, you are immediately looking at possession with intent to distribute. This stop just turned into a massive narcotics bust.
You guys, there's so much, you can smell the coke, it's that strong.
He's also drunk and probably high on at least weed, but I mean, dude has at least a half a pound of coke and like a couple hundred rounds of ammunition, a drum. There's a Glock gun case, but no Glock.
He was messing around back there a lot. Back of the squad?
Yeah.
Y'all put this seatbelt on me for me, huh?
We got to, man.
It's goofy. That's why I shouldn't even been cool with y'all ass, man.
You gonna step out for me, boss?
Why is this handcuffs up front?
Why'd you move your handcuffs up front?
Why is your pants undone? Come on!
Stop.
Don't do it!
Man, what the f you gonna do, man?
What's wrong with you, man? What's wrong with you? I'm being cool with you.
Nah, you want to be cool with me,
We're having a nice conversation. Back to the pool.
You're already busted. Stop struggling. All this is doing is making it worse and potentially injuring yourself or the officer. Just comply. Go to the station and talk to your lawyer. All this resistance is just wasted energy.
You done?
No.
Oh, show the f up. You done? Stop pushing me, man.
Get in.
Randy, just have a seat, bud.
Alright, stop pushing me, man, bro. Stop. Don't ever push me, bro.
Please have a seat, man.
What's wrong with you, man?
Just have a seat.
Can you please have a seat for us?
I will, sir.
All right.
Okay, let's go.
Don't do all that goofy ass shit. You
ahead,
must be a rookie, man. You're a goofy ass, man.
Can you put your feet in for
I ain't
me?
got no problem with it, bro.
All right, I appreciate it.
You must be a rookie or something, man. Get your goofy ass out of here, man.
All right. Right now, we're just gonna take you to the police department where you're gonna be interviewed by a detective, okay?
Will I be able to see the judge tomorrow or nah?
Yeah.
You know what time?
I don't.
When they give me a phone call and
Yeah, when we get there, you'll get some phone calls.
I appreciate it, man.
Hang on, I gotta take the seatbelt off of you.
Sorry, yo. Hold on, bro. Hold on.
Stuck?
Yeah.
All right, take a couple steps forward.
Why'd you do that? So bend
So,
down.
so try to.
Yeah.
Pull him. Wait. Go. Wait. No. I ain't gonna work like that.
He got himself stuck trying to slip his cuffs in the front
I
again.
go in there. Take the shit off me, man.
Bro, you're going like that now.
Alright, take the shit off me.
Okay, that's now or work.
How
Did you do this?
Take the shit off me, man.
We can't take it off. You
Alright, well, I'm gonna be sitting here. It's gonna be a fucking sitter. I don't know what the fuck it is. I'm gonna make your day a hard day like mine is. Y'all lucky y'all coming with that shit. Boy, I'll never call slippers.
Stand up. You can't get to us when you sit down like that.
I got it. He got it,
Take
son.
one of them off.
I got 2 sets of cuffs on me.
Yeah, grab the other one, remember?
Dude, if you get stupid, man, you're gonna end up getting hurt.
Man, if I get stupid, your mama gonna get hurt.
Did you hear that? That's an explicit threat against a family member. That is going to land him in a world of hurt. That kind of behavior in custody shows a total disregard for authority and zero respect for the law.
What's wrong with you, man? You lucky you caught me.
All right.
Just front cut.
Yeah, I ain't on no goofy ass shit, man. Wow, shit. We don't want that.
Upstairs. So you know this room's video and audio recording.
And there's the breakdown. Possession with intent to deliver, unlawful possession of a weapon, and an armed habitual criminal charge. Those are decades-level sentences we're talking about, all stemming from a simple traffic stop. All right, guys, what a chaotic stop that was. This whole situation is a masterclass in how a simple traffic infraction can immediately turn into a life-changing, or rather life-ending, situation for a criminal enterprise. The officer pulls Randy over for a minor issue like swerving, but because Randy was driving without his documentation and, critically, had that open container of alcohol, the officers had the probable cause they needed to detain him and search the vehicle. It's the small things, like an open container violation, that always get these career criminals. The second that officer hit the trunk release, that's when everything changed. We saw over 361 grams of cocaine, which is nearly a pound, along with multiple Glock magazines, hundreds of rounds of ammunition, and even a high-capacity AR-15 drum magazine. When you combine those items, especially that quantity of drugs and the illegal weapons, Randy is facing extremely heavy time. The laundry list of charges mentioned at the end, possession with intent to deliver a controlled substance, unlawful possession of a weapon, and the big one, armed habitual criminal. These are all high-level felony charges that carry severe mandatory minimum sentences, potentially decades behind bars. His decision to actively resist arrest multiple times and even threaten the officer's family member is just going to guarantee the prosecution throws the book at him. He literally sealed his own fate with every poor decision made in that 10-minute period. Let me know in the comments below what you guys think was the biggest mistake Randy made. Was it the open container, the run attempt, or the threats? Drop a like, subscribe for more real police footage breakdowns, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out.